So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today I'm going to show you how to set your hotspot on your PC using CMD command prompt. So the first thing you have to do is open command prompt. If you are using Windows, every Windows has command prompt, and run it as administrator here, like as it says at the corner, administrator. And then you type sorry netish lan set hosted network mode equals allow SSID equals to name your hotspot, maybe mine STJ, just testing STJ2K, and then click enter. And then the message is of opening SSID hosted network has been successfully changed. So now I've completely changed. It's simple and easy. So guys, if you want me to do more tutorials, so let me know down in the comments. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Peace out guys.